Good morning, ma'am. My name is Agnis Matibe. I'm 44 years old. I'm a single mom. I'm a Christian. I like to read, watch TV sometimes if I have time. I'm a humble person, loving and caring and honest. I'm a nanny. I'm working with kids, taking care of kids, looking after them, loving them. So, what I can say is I'm a hardworking person. I can clean the house. I'm also a housekeeper. Can clean. I can cook. I can iron. I can wash. So, what I can tell about myself again, I'm an open book. I can talk. I can laugh. I love to laugh. I can laugh. I'm a soft person. So soft. So I can speak English. I can speak Afrikaans, Zulu, and Sotho. I can write English. I can write Afrikaans. I can write Sotho. But I think I can write Zulu. Thank you, ma'am.